slowly turn your head, neck, chest to center. Raise your right leg up, stretch it, put it on the mat. Now on the right side also, so fold your left leg, put it on the right thigh. Now turn your left leg close to the right side. Put it on the ground onto your right side. Now turn your head, neck, chest to the left side. Feel all the stretching and twisting in your waistline. Very, very good for the neck pain, back pain, diabetes, strengthening of the spine, increasing the flexibility in the spine. Now slowly, gently lift your left leg also up. Now relax. Now bring your both the hands closer. Now lie down in Shavasana. Shavasana is also called as Prashantasana. So see that you keep both the legs apart, both the hands apart, half closed palms, palms facing the ceiling, head, neck, chest, all the points of your spine are touching the mat. Now keep your eyes closed, eyeballs looking down. Don't clench your teeth, let the tongue rest on the lower palate. Now roll on your shoulders back and down, let the shoulder blades touch the mat. This is a conscious mind relaxation, so let the body fall heavily on the mat. Feel lighter and lighter, just deeply relax. Now slowly be aware of the surroundings. Bring your legs closer. Bring your hands closer. Now whichever side you are getting up, take that hand up. Like take the left hand up. If you are getting up from the left side. Now bend your legs, both the knees, one by one. Now turn your body completely to the left side. Stay there for a few breaths. Now put all the weight on the right palm, left palm. Inhaling, slowly get up and sit down. Now sit comfortably. Now put the right leg on the left thigh, left leg on the right thigh. Now sit comfortably here. So now we'll start with the pranayamas. Roll on your shoulders back and down. Now rest your left hand in the chin mudra, gently touching the index finger to the thumb onto the left thigh. Now take the right hand, Nasika mudra. Now we'll do the Nadi Shodhana pranayama. So left in, right out, right in, left out. Whenever you are inhaling, expand your chest, and you can expand your abdomen. Whenever you are exhaling, compress them. Now keep your eyes closed. If you are breathing in for 5 seconds, exhale for 10 seconds. So now left in, right out, right in, left out. Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Now left in, right out, right in, left out. Gently stop the Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Keep your eyes closed. Observe your breath. Deeply inhale, deeply exhale. Now we'll go with the last one, Brahmari pranayama. Now for this, keep your thumb on the earlobes. Now index finger above the eyebrows, middle finger on the eyeballs, ring finger on the nostrils, but don't close the nostrils, little finger above the upper lip. Now deeply inhale through both the nostrils, while exhaling make the humming bee sound. Repeat this for 5 times. This is called as Shanmukhi Mudra, so Brahmari for 5 times. Now slowly release your fingers from your face. Observe your breath. Observe the resonating effect in your face, in your chest. Deeply inhale and deeply exhale. Now we'll end the session. Join your palms and fingers. Namaskaram in front of your chest. Keep your eyes closed. Now deeply inhale while exhaling, chant Omkaram. Now repeat this for 3 times. Slowly bow down your head, surrender to the center of the heart. Now slowly raise your head up, rub your palms. Put the palms on the eyeballs, feel the warmth of the palms. Gently open your eyes, looking at your palms, taking away your palms. Now thank you very much, thank you everyone. Have a great day.